Hello students. This time we're going to talk about the probability of compound events. That means that whatever occurs depends on what occurred before. Okay, so these are really not much more difficult than the others that we did. I'll show you how to go about doing these. This is on page 39, probability of compound events. Okay, a spinner has 6 equal sections. 2 sections are red, 3 sections are blue, and 1 section is green. What is the probability of spinning a red section twice in a row? Okay, so I drew this out for you. Here's the spinner. Supposed to be equal sections. Well, they're not equal, but we get the general idea, right? Okay, so there's a total of 6 sections. 2 are red, 3 are blue, and 1 is green. Okay, what is the probability of spinning a red twice in a row? Okay, so we have 2 red here. So if we spin it 1 time, we have a chance of landing on a red 2 times out of 6 because we have 6 spaces and we have 2 red sections. Alright, we're not taking any of those out. The next time we spin, it looks just the same way it looks right now. So I spin again. What are the chances of it landing on a red? The second time, 2 times out of 6. I put a times in there. I'm going to multiply these 2 chances together. 2 times 2 is 4. 6 times 6 is 36. And I want to reduce that because I can. I can divide 4 by 4 and I can divide 36 by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1. 36 divided by 4 is 9. So 1 out of 9 times I would probably land on red 2 times in a row. Alright, so let's do this on our calculator. Clear it out. 2 out of 6, 2, ND, 6, scroll over, times 2 out of 6, 2, ND, 6, scroll over, enter. And it reduces it automatically for us to 1 over 9. Okay, let's look at our next question. Another spinner has 12 equal sections. Half of the sections are yellow, and the rest are divided evenly between gray and purple. What is the probability of first spinning a gray section followed by a purple section? Okay, so I just so happened to fix a spinner for you. Of course, the sections aren't equal, but we're pretending they are, okay? So we have 12 sections. Half of them are yellow. The other half is divided equally between purple and gray. So we have 3 purple and we have 3 gray. What is the probability of first spinning a gray? Well, 3 out of 12 are gray. Followed by a purple. 3 out of 12 are purple. So I'll multiply those 2 together. 3 times 3 is 9. 12 times 12 is 144. And I need to simplify that because 9 over 144 is not over here. So let's use our trusty calculator. Good time to practice putting these fractions in here. Can save you a lot of time when you're working on your HiSET or your TABE test. 3 ND 12, scroll over, times 3 ND 12, scroll over, enter, and it has simplified it for us to 1 out of 16. So 1 out of 16 times I would land on a gray first when I spun the first time, and land on a purple the second time I spin. Okay. Number 11. If you roll a number cube labeled 1 through 6, which is a dice, 30 times, what outcome is most likely to occur? Okay, so we're going to throw that dice 30 times. There are 6 sides on that dice. So 30 times divided by 6 is going to give us 5 times we will land on some same number. Okay? So, let's look through here and see what choice works. Rolling a 5 30 times, boy, that would really be something else. Not likely. Rolling a 1, 2, or 3 3 times, no. Rolling a 2 or a 4 2 times, no. Rolling a 3 5 times. 5 times we will land on the same number. Rolling a 3 5 times, that's landing on the same number 5 times. So yes, that one would work for us. Number 12. A bag has 5 red marbles and 4 white marbles. Aaron draws a marble, sets it aside, and draws a second marble. What is the probability that Aaron will draw a white marble on both draws? Okay, it depends on what's happened before, right? Okay, so here's our little bag of marbles. And we have 5 red ones and 4 white ones. Okay, so what is the probability that Aaron will draw a white marble both times? And it tells us that he sets it aside before he draws his second one. Okay, so let's say he draws, let me find an eraser. He draws out a white one here. Okay, so I'm going to put it out here. And I'm going to erase it in here. So he drew a white one. There were 4 white ones out of 9 marbles, 9 total marbles, right? Okay, so there's that one. The next time he reaches in there, look at him. He got another one of those white marbles. How many were left in there this time? Not 9, because he had one of them out here. There were only 8 of them left in there then. How many total were in there? Not 4 of them anymore, because one of them was out here, but 3 of them. Let's multiply those two together. 4 times 3, 9 times 8. And let's simplify it, and we are going to have our answer. Let's do it on our calculator. Okay, we have 4 ND 9, scroll over, times 3 ND 8, scroll over, enter, and we have 1 out of 6 times he would draw the white one both times. The first time he had 4 white ones out of a total of 9. The next time he only had 3 white ones out of a total of 8. Think about that one a little bit, and I believe it will make sense to you. And I will see you next time with some more probability. See you next time.